This is box 3 out of 9 of fun boxes from Thredup. They cost $34, and I bought them on February 20. Nope, that's wrong. That's my birthday. February 8th, 2023, and today is December 21st, 2023. Happy holidays. You probably won't see this before the holidays, so I hope you had a great holiday. Merry Christmas. Alright. I guess you can consider this kind of Christmas for me, because I'm finally opening this. Maybe. Having problems. Many problems. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Double check our work here. Fun box. 10 items. $34. February 8th. Accurate. Let's see. So, supposed to have 10 items. Here's the paper. It tells me nice picks. Like, I picked this out. Packing supplies. That's it. The whole box was worth it. We can just stop there. First up, we have mint and shea butter. Shea butter. Shea. I think it's shea. I think I used to say shea, and I got made fun of by my family. Anyway, TJ Maxx, $6.99. Socks. I like comfy socks. Simply Noel. These are like the boot socks. So you wear them above your boots. But they would have to be kind of short boots. Well, I guess not. I don't know. Anyway, pretty blue color. No price on them. You have a net. Go catch some fish. I've been fishing a lot lately. Yeah, so this is a decorative net scarf. You can't really wear this other than decorative. I don't think this would really keep you warm. Hence all, you know, because of the holes. So, it's just decorative. Ooh, this is a zipper wallet. I've been looking for one for my daughter. This one's small enough. It's kind of cute. We'll see. I don't know. Might be too girly. It's a little tassel. It is from Jacent. Ignore my nails. Probably gross. $5. $5 whole dollars. Big box. Has two little compartments and then a small little zipper thing here. This might actually be perfect for my daughter. Vera Bradley. What are these? Stretch headband set. I feel like those are too big for heads. I mean, I guess I could be wrong, but I feel like that'd be too big for heads. Stretch headband set. I don't know. Anyway, that's what it says on the package. Ooh. Use my size. I need flip-flops. Got some Tory Burch flip-flops. Maybe. I don't know if this is accurate. No one ever really knows. And of course, there's no size, so it has to be Tory Burch, right? Because every time I pick up Tory Burch, I don't have a size. Made in China. Are they made in China? I don't understand why they don't put a size on here that's like permanent. Like, why? Why? This probably had the stupid sticker on the bottom. That's so dumb. Oh. It's helpful. Sticker. Alright, so anyway, it is helpful because it says it's an 8. Which is too big for my feet, unfortunately. So, if this is really Tory Burch, then not bad. I'll have to double check on that. I'm removing this. touching me. Ew. Ooh, we have another bra. Ooh, it's not sleeveless. Seamless or wireless, whatever. Auden 36 double D. Oh, it's it's a nursing bra. Right here. These are all I own. Am I still nursing my child? No. No, I'm not. And I haven't for a while. But these are the most comfortable bras ever. So I can't really give them up. Anyway, they're also very expensive. So when I come across a good deal on it, I say that, and this is $17. That's not very expensive. But some of the really good ones are like, you know, 50 bucks. And I found a 50 buck one really cheap. So anyway, nursing bra. Ooh, this is super soft. It's not fuzzy, but it can qualify as a awkward petting. I do miss that. I do miss the awkward petting a lot. Size small, 4'6". It is a jogger. I don't know that word, but Joyce spun. It's very comfy and very, 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 very soft. I think small is going to be just a tad too small for me. But someone will love the joggers. I might have to try them on. You never know these days. Nothing is sized the same for anything. And then we have a mystery bag. It's like glasses. I'm gonna guess there's something Ralph Lauren in this box because it has RL on it. Let's see how accurate I am. Imported Rob Lynn, Bradford, Ontario. So Canada. Oh, Canada. Oh, this is heavy. What in the world? Is this a pocket watch? Oh, no, it's not. It's a locket. Say hi. Ignore all the stuff in the background. It's a little pocket watch. I said a pocket watch again. It's a little locket. And then you can put a picture or makeup or... Did it have something there? Is that a mirror too? I don't think that's actually a mirror. I just think that's the shiny reflection. I don't know. Anyway. It's cute. A cute little Valentine's Day thing. It's got some scratches and stuff on it, but you know, heart, pocket, picture thing. Imported from Ontario. There's another Privyware. Are these worth something? Because this is the second one I've gotten. Now I'm gonna have to look it up and put it in here. Anyway, Privé, I don't know. Revo, Privé Revo, I don't know. Anyway, these are mint gradient, and they are plus 0.50. Okay, the Zoe. They're called the Zoe. They're kind of cute. They're kind of square. No. Let's see. Oh my Lanta. Those are not great on me. Anyway, they'll be great on someone else. Alright. It's the end of this box. Short and sweet. Haven't even hit 10 minutes yet. Alright. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. Right on the button. 10 in the box. I feel gypped when I only get 10 because you usually get more than 10. So, although that is what said it would come with. So, I don't know. I'll look some of this up, figure out if it's worth anything. I can tell you that some of this will be gifts and some of this will be donated. Doodles!